So Thrivecart's added a really cool feature to help you promote things that you're an affiliate for by allowing you to add a link to a special bonus. So if you are promoting, for example, the Women in Publishing Summit, and you want to add a special bonus to that, so that you can send out emails and say, hey, if you buy through my affiliate link, or if you purchase, however you want to say it, but make sure you include affiliate link, you're also going to automatically receive my XYZ, my free digital download of XYZ. Digital downloads are going to be the easiest way, unless it's something like a free course or something like that that you can provide a link. Let me show you how to do it. So when you log into Thrivecart, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. You click on your products. Now, because this is my dashboard, I cannot be an affiliate for my own account, so I don't have the Women in Publishing Summit in here, but I'll bring up one that I just recently promoted, the Romance Writers Conference. So here we have the products that I was releasing, and I could go into this product and you click into the actual product. So if you're doing the Women in Publishing Summit, you should only have one product. We don't have multiple links. And then you're going to see this tab right here that has bonus delivery. So if you want to do this, it's going to include a link on their success page, and it will come to them via email. So you're going to click here, and you have two options. Yes, deliver a course. This is not a general course of your courses. This is if you have created a course in Thrivecart. So like, for example, I've created using Thrivecart to create a book sales page. We've got some other things in here. So I could grab one of those if I wanted to give them access to my course. Now, if you have a course anyplace else, or a digital download or anything else, you just deliver a URL. Unfortunately, it doesn't give you any space to describe it. So you probably want to send this to a landing page to describe what it is they're getting. But at the end of the day, it doesn't really, that part is kind of irrelevant, because you're going to describe it in your email or on your website where you're sending people, or whatever you're doing, you're going to describe that. So you just drop your URL here. So if it's a PDF or some other type of thing, you will have to load that to your website, or you'll have to have a Dropbox or other link that they can just go straight to. So what I like to do is I like to have a landing page is generally the easiest one. But of course that takes a little bit more time, and you say, here's the landing page, grab it. But for example, I set up this page as a bonus for attendees of the conference, but you can see I just created a page that says, welcome to the attendees, or you set this up however you want it to be. I did this quickly, and it doesn't have a lot of bells and whistles, but if you want to, you can add a picture, you can add whatever you want to. Anyway, when they come here, they're going to click a button to grab it, and then it's going to take them. Unfortunately, this is a long one because it takes them to a cart where they can access it, but you could also just make this super simple by just having it a link directly to where to download it. So I like to download PDFs to my website, and then you can just type in, womeninpublishingsummit.com/workbook, or whatever it is that you're promoting. The reason the other landing page is to an opt-in is because that's a bonus that everybody who registers for her conference gets. It's not specific to my audience. So if it's specific to your audience, you don't have to have an opt-in because they're already on your email list. So hopefully that makes sense. So just send them directly, load it to your website, put it on Dropbox, wherever you want it to be. Now, if you are giving them a free course and they have to have a coupon code or something, then you will have to have a landing page that gets them on the email list so that you can deliver the coupon code, or however you want them to be. Anyway, that's entirely up to you. But I just wanted to make sure that you just go in there, click on, again, we'll go through this so that you see, we're going to go to products. We're going to select the product, the company, select the product, go over to your bonus delivery, check that box. In most cases, you're going to deliver to a URL unless you've already created your bonus in Thrivecart. Drop the URL and make sure you give them a support email. So where do you want them to email you if they're having issues? And then you just click save, and it's just as easy as that. When somebody purchases through your affiliate link, they will automatically get this link sent to them and be able to access their content. Easy peasy.